Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing the secrets to crushing it in digital marketing with SEO. In the digital age, visibility is everything, and that's where SEO comes in. Let's dive into the essentials of search engine optimization and why it's a game changer for your business. First up, what is SEO? Simply put, SEO is a set of strategies designed to improve your website's ranking on search engines like Google. The goal? Making sure people find your business when they need it the most. Let's break down the key components. 1. Keyword research and optimization. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush, you can find and use the right keywords to attract your target audience. 2. On-page SEO. This means optimizing your website's meta tags, headlines, and content. Plus, ensure fast loading speeds, mobile responsiveness, and user-friendly navigation. 3. Off-page SEO. Think link building, social media engagement, and influencer marketing. These activities boost your site's authority and ranking. 4. Technical SEO. Make sure your site is crawlable, fix broken links, and maintain a secure HTTPS environment. 5. Content marketing. High-quality, relevant content is crucial. Search engines love websites that consistently provide value to users. So, why is SEO crucial for digital marketing? 1. Increased visibility. SEO gets your website on the first page of search results. 2. Cost effectiveness. Unlike paid ads, organic SEO delivers long-term results without constant spending. 3. Better user experience. SEO improves site speed and mobile optimization, making for a better user experience. 4. Higher ROI. SEO drives targeted traffic and higher conversion rates, often offering a better return on investment. Looking ahead, here are some SEO trends to watch in 2025. 1. AI-driven SEO. Tools like ChatGPT are transforming content creation and optimization. 2. Voice search optimization. With more smart speakers, optimizing for voice search is key. 3. Core web vitals. Google now prioritizes user experience metrics like loading speed and visual stability. 4. Video SEO. As video content grows, optimizing for platforms like YouTube can boost your visibility. Ready to get started? Begin by auditing your website with tools like Google Analytics and Screaming Frog. Develop a content strategy focusing on relevant keywords. And remember, SEO is an ongoing effort. Monitor performance and adapt to changes. Wrapping up, SEO in digital marketing isn't just about higher rankings, it's about delivering real value to your audience. By integrating SEO into your strategy, you can achieve sustainable growth, enhance brand authority, and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on digital marketing success.